way to go pick up Lester.
Sure.
You guys seen him plenty of times, so oh yeah, better be ready. But yeah, so we're about how long? Like 55 minutes. So
see you in 55.
Yeah, this shall be real quick. Guys,
it took long at first.
Look who we just picked up.
Yo,
Lester, I'm really bright, but now we're on our way and somewhere that you guys don't know, and you guys will see when we get there. We have like how long? Like 39 minutes. So see you then.
We got to the spot. Say what's up, bro. We here with B&B.
Oh, yes, sir. You know the vibe, man. We out here going
Crazy.
working, yo.
Yes, sir. Yo, we about to eat this 2 years old ramen.
Oh my.
Expired. We gonna see how this goes.
28.19.
6/28/19.
Please, like.
Pray for us, guys.
God.
Yo,
What you say?
y'all know who it is. Don't sue me. If y'all get sick, yo.
Yo, we told him we get sick. All eyes on him.
Yeah.
About to chef the ramen for us right now.
Yo, almost 2 years old.
2 years, bro. Pray for us.
Yo, listen, pray. But I'm gonna shut the fuck out of this though.
He about to make some gourmet ramen. Bro.
Look at it. You know what ramen's supposed to look like.
It don't even look right.
It doesn't look right.
Just a little.
You sure you wanna do this, bro?
I don't know, man. I think I might have to do it for the one time, bro.
For the one time?
No, for the one time.
For the one time, my little
You sure you gonna do it?
Oh my god, just for the video. Just for the video, that's it.
You sure, bro?
Anything for YouTube, yo.
Anything.
Hey, it's for you.
I'm
Throw
gonna
that
live
in.
life for YouTube.
Throw that in. Throw that in. Ooh.
Stepping it up.
Okay. And
Damn,
he
yo.
about to, you know he about to season that. Come on. Without the seasoning ramen, you dirty.
Oh, what does it say?
Ah, now I'm scared.
Alright guys, this is the warning for the expired ramen.
We wildin', bro.
Yes, you read that right. It is very dangerous to eat instant noodles that have expired a long time ago.
And I'm gonna be
If
2
stored
years.
for a long period of time,
years.
the instant noodles will become unedible. Please do not eat it. That's all I gotta say is don't try this at home.
Guys, I'm
Yo,
real
hey,
nervous
man,
now.
explain.
Please don't say no.
Don't try this at home.
No.
Pray for us though. We doing this for y'all.
Yeah.
Yo, this don't even look right,
Yo,
son.
this shit don't look right.
So pale.
What you feeding us, bro?
Hey, yo.
Trying to poison
Hey,
us.
not me, yo. Don't say me. I'm just cooking.
Yo, we come over and this is what he cooking for dinner, bro. This is crazy. I'm ordering
Y'all come to
food.
my house, bro. This is what I get.
I'm ordering food, bro.
Y'all don't like me, bro? Get my house.
That does not look
Bon appetit.
like normal.
Gourmet, bro. What y'all know about this?
We got gourmet shit, yo.
Gourmet.
Y'all see the spices?
Add a little parsley, yo. We valid, yo.
You see the smoke coming up? Come on.
Hot and ready, yo.
Mm. Expired food.
Not expired.
Not
The
today.
chef's on this side. Come on.
All right, Jason, you're the first
You got a
victim.
napkin?
Oh, yeah.
First
Everybody get
victim.
napkins.
Everybody get
Yo,
napkins.
when you around here, bro, you get treated like royalty.
Expired ramen, napkins, all the good
Yeah.
stuff.
Everything.
Expired napkins too.
Thank you.
Ready?
You ready? First
I'm
victim.
doing a little bit. Don't
Go.
hype it. I'm not eating nothing crazy, none of that. Look.
Yeah, look, you're swirling it and everything.
Shit. Honestly, I don't even know if I could grab one noodle.
Ew. Ew, he's taking a full fork.
Alright guys, you ready?
Ugh, it's dirt.
I don't want to be blowing on. Hey yo, pause. I don't want to be putting my breath in the bowl where everybody else is eating, you know?
Nah.
It's hot though, hold up.
It's okay, burn your mouth.
Alright, you ready?
Yep. He's taking a hefty portion.
How you feel?
I'm gonna give it a rock.
It's busted.
I'm gonna have to finish this.
I'm done.
Okay.
Ew, you
He
did not.
went crazy with the spices. I'm not even going.
Okay.
Are you serious?
Shut it up, man.
Oh my god. So next victim, Les. Alright. Let us know.
Nah, yeah, I see the spices on the side. Yo, there's residue on the side. I don't know if y'all can see that.
Oh yeah. You can see
I don't know
that.
what that is from, though.
No, you can see that.
You gotta dive
My
in.
noodles don't look like this.
No.
Yeah, the more you think about it, the more
Yo,
you're gonna
look at
stress
my
yourself out.
spoon.
Ugh, it's like
That should
residue
look crazy.
all
Alright, bet.
over.
But we doing it, though.
Uh-oh.
Alright, bet.
Uh-oh.
Well, he wants one strand. He don't want a hefty spoon like Jason.
Alright, let's
Those
put
spices
this right
go
here.
crazy.
Let's taste it.
Watch. Damn, you really over there.
I'm dead. Is it?
Hey, yo.
This shit tastes good.
Are you serious?
This shit tastes good.
Chef on the
Yo,
Oh, man.
what do you know what he's doing?
Oh my
I
god.
didn't stop talking down in his expired
Yo,
food.
listen, I look crazy, yo. You might be sick in the morning, but hey.
Alright, fuck it.
Yeah, that's
Good for now.
In the moment, it was tasting crazy.
No, yeah.
That's a good look.
All
Chef
right.
himself.
Alright.
Let's see, chef.
I think chef will lie. Nah, I Damn.
He's gonna take a
Oh,
hefty
yeah, he got
portion
guac,
too. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, let me see this.
Alright, let's see. Let's see. Yo, mama, I love you. Yo.
Is it
It's
good?
not bad.
Really?
What's it?
That shit good.
It's not bad, and later you'll be on the toilet.
No, but I feel like, later on, yo.
Later on.
Eat this
I
one.
don't know, somebody have to finish the bowl, yo.
Okay.
She got it. She gonna finish the bowl right
That's
now.
all for you, bro.
Let me see.
Over you.
That's all for you, bro. Eat up.
What you think?
Honestly, it's good.
It's button, right?
Yeah, but it's a little spicy.
Yeah, it's spicy.
It is spicy.
It's too spicy?
I don't really like spicy.
Oh.
Yo, Alex, just finish the bowl, bro.
Yeah, I think you just finished the bowl.
You can't let that go to waste.
Ones that I can't get.
I think it's for the coaches.
Yeah, it was low.
You pulled up the article, so you gotta finish the bowl.
What's the water?
No,
No
okay,
way.
thank you.
Damn.
Is it the garbage, right?
Nah, garbage in there.
Oh, whatever.
Let me see. Let me see. Sheesh. Okay.
It's alright.
It's a
Alright. It's like regular ramen.
Yo, you gonna have to take that up with the chef, bro. You
Nah, it's good.
Nah, imagine.
Oh, shit.